Well, kia ora, and welcome to a new episode of Maddie's Shenanigans. We are at the KAYAK Lakes up on the west coast, just out of Dargaville today, and it is gorgeous.
Sorry, I'm good.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We are going to get out some kayaks. We're going to go for a little bit of a paddle. I bought some blow-up kayaks off the internet the other day, so we're going to give those a go. Real kayaks, like actual ones, are about 400 bucks, and I was like, nah, not paying for those. We'll try some blow-up ones, see if they work. So we'll get those out, go for a bit of a paddle on a beautiful day. Have a look at this. Alrighty, after a slight ordeal getting them pumped up, we're ready to go. So we're going to test out these blow-up kayaks. There's a few little white caps out there. It's a little bit windy, so we'll see how they go. I can imagine they get blown around a bit in the wind, but let's give it a go.
Got my one sunglass.
Oh yeah! What scuffs! New style, guys. Heard it here first. Maddie's Shenanigans. Ash rocking one sunglass arm.
Zipper out.
All right, let's get into it. Alright, blow up kayak update. There's absolutely no way to stay dry. You know, sometimes when you go kayaking, you can manage to stay dry enough. There's no way in these ones. You just get wet. But hey, it's summer, so who cares? So a nice short little vlog today, just our little trip to KAYAK Lakes. I definitely recommend coming up here. I mean, the water's lovely, it's fresh water, nice and warm. Amazing spot for summer, and I think we've timed it right because there's like no one here, but I can imagine in the peak of summer this place is busy. But KAYAK Lakes, awesome, come and check it out. Alright, that wraps up today's vlog. Yeah, no, definitely, thanks for watching.
What did you do just before?
Tried to do a bomb in knee-deep water.
That was a great idea.
Hurt my ankle.
Maddie's Shenanigans.